Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make TradingView in dark mode. First, open your TradingView platform, whether on your desktop application or through your web browser. Next, navigate to the top right corner of your screen where you will find your profile icon. Simply click on this icon to open a convenient drop-down menu with various options. This is your first step towards a more comfortable viewing experience. Once the drop-down menu appears, look for the dark color theme option. It's usually clearly labeled and easy to spot. You'll see a toggle switch right next to it. Simply click this switch to turn it on. As soon as you do, your entire TradingView interface will instantly switch to a sleek, dark mode, providing a visually distinct and often preferred aesthetic. After enabling dark mode, you might want to fine-tune your chart's appearance. To do this, right-click anywhere on your chart to bring up a context menu. From this menu, select Settings. Here, you can customize various aspects like the colors of your candles, the chart background, and other visual elements. This allows for a truly personalized trading environment, enhancing clarity and reducing eye strain. Using dark mode offers several benefits, primarily reducing eye strain, which is crucial during extended trading sessions. It also helps improve focus by cutting down on screen glare and visual distractions, allowing you to concentrate better on market movements. Remember, you can always revert to light mode or further customize your theme through the same settings. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Enjoy your optimized TradingView experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.